Chikumbutso flees Zimbabwe as investors demand refunds for fake products. Azvipere mushe sanabuda mashoko atona kuti Maxwell Chikumbutso unzi panguva inoi otiza oshakwa munyika yeZimbabwe apo onekwa kuti mainvestors vachidhimanda kuti mukomana uyu he was selling achitengesa maproducts ari fake. Don't subscribe or like or bell icon. Timina mzimbai mudanyora achiti a groundbreaking energy invention promising self-sustaining electricity and infinite mobility has been exposed as an elaborate scam, leaving international investors defrauded of hundreds of thousands of euros. Maxwell Chikumbutso, the self-proclaimed inventor behind a so-called revolutionary car, helicopter, and a generator that allegedly function without fossil fuels, is now at the center of a major financial scandal. International investors who traveled to Zimbabwe in early 2025 to test these miraculous machines have come forward with the demand evidence that the entire operation was a carefully orchestrated fraud. For years, Chikumbutso had built an almost mythical reputation, claiming to have cracked the code for limitless free energy and innovation that, if real, would have been a game changer for global energy. His promotional videos, including one featuring Zimbabwe president, created a wave of excitement, particularly across Africa, where access to sustainable energy remains a challenge. Foreign investors eager to back what they believed to be the future of green technology flee into Zimbabwe in early 2025 to witness and verify Chikumbutso's claims firsthand. However, what they encountered was anything but a technological revolution. Ndomashikana mudaro panapa zvinzi vakomana mainventors panapa vaiva vachidisappointiwa vazosvika munyika yeZimbabwe vachinoda kuti Chikumbutso maproducts ake ndeefake. Mbodzera mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Wabvina kume section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like